Start by breaking down a head of cauliflower into bite-sized florets. Your asteroid's ready for a flavor journey. Preheat your oven to 450 to 3°C, setting the stage for liftoff. Coating cosmos in a cosmic mixing bowl. Whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of water, a pinch of garlic powder, and salt to taste. Dip each cauliflower floret into this batter, ensuring they're fully coated, preparing them for their spacewalk into crispiness. Arrange the coated florets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, spaced evenly like stars in the sky. Blast them into the oven for 20 minutes, turning halfway through, until they start to golden and crisp. While the cauliflower orbits, prepare the buffalo sauce by melting 1/2 cup of butter and whisking in 1/2 cup of hot sauce. This fiery mixture will coat our celestial bodies, adding a nebula of flavor. Toss the baked cauliflower in the buffalo sauce, ensuring each piece is enveloped in its spicy aura. Return them to the oven for an additional 10 minutes to seal in the flavors and achieve the perfect crunch. Serve the buffalo cauliflower bites fresh out of the oven, garnished with a drizzle of ranch or blue cheese dressing and a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley. Each bite is a journey through the flavor cosmos, sure to delight any interstellar adventurer.